All right, open up.
All right. Cardboard box. Another Skylander. Good. Another one.
Yes, it's that bomb dude that we wanted.
Bomb. Countdown.
Yes.
Wait.
We know.
Rollerblade.
Oh, we're getting all the SWAT Force today.
SWAT Force. Assemble. It has like a handle to it. What do you think it is? It's in the cardboard. A shirt?
No pajamas.
Well, it's a shirt.
That's pajamas.
Oh, that's nice. Oh my God,
Yeah,
that's
rocket.
pretty.
Open this one. You can wait for me.
Oh, yeah. See what this is.
Wait. I've been waiting for this moment.
Another shirt?
The ribbons are my worst part.
Boxers.
Yes.
Sorry, Aiden.
But
Now you don't have to wear your brother's underwear. Because you got a big booty.
need the pocket knife.
See this one.
Careful with that knife.
Yeah. You're still late. Let's get that. Sweet, another Nerf gun.
No. Are you kidding me?
No, I am not.
Oh my God, that's awesome. Oh, I can't believe your tia and Tio did that for you. Wow. That's amazing.
What is it?
Look at these pants, Mom.
Sweet.
Size 5. Thank you.
Size 5?
Yes, thank
Those are a
you.
little small.
Who are you saying thank you to?
Dear Lisa, thank you for knowing my size. And don't get me size 8. I see one for you right here. Found you. So listen.
Got a lot of clothes. Alright, cardboard. The brown ones needs clothes. And this one. The
Nerf
white.
football.
No. You got a Nerf gun?
No, it's not like. No, it's a Nerf like throwing football. I got another shirt. Baby.
Awesome.
Look at this.
Oh.
I want to get with it.
Who's going to want to get with what?
All the ladies in the world.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. That like my big button they cannot tie.
You better be careful
Oh my
because
god, I see green in the inside.
Please tell me not to bring the cap and shirt.
Oh no, never mind. More clothes. Another shirt.
what is that?
Another shirt.
Sticky, no, that's in my knee.
Nice.
Aiden, did you
I got socks. Yeah, I got more socks. Socks. Thank the Lord. Now I don't have to go digging in the trash and stuff.
In the trash? You go digging in the trash for socks?
I mean, not the trash, the laundry basket.
Wow, toothbrush.
What kind is it?
That's pretty awesome.
Transformers. Aiden, you want more? You want me to open it for you?
No, thank you.
Here,
There you go. Booyah, Hanes underwear.
Are you happy about those?
Yes.
Why?
I get more undies.
Did you need them?
Yes. Landon was wasting them all.
Yeah.
Get used to it.
That.
Did he stretch them out?
Yeah.
Come on, Aiden.
Want close?
I don't know.
Yep.
I'm gonna rock this.
Oh, that is lovely. I like it. I like it a lot. Mm.
There we go. Merry Christmas.
Merry
Look
Christmas.
at all the Skylanders we got.
You guys are very fortunate.
Oh my God! It's that boxing guy.
I know, that's what I said. I'm using these two first. Oh
Wait,
no,
I want to see this guy.
I'm using that.
Do you guys want to say anything to your tia and tío?
Thank you very much, Theo,
Jesse.
Jesse and Tia Lisa.
Oh, it's a guy you can swap.
Okay.
B.
Oh, thank you for the clothes
And
and everything else.
Thank you, tia and tío Lisa. Tia Lisa and tío Jess. You guys made our Christmas amazing.
you're the best rappers.